The U.S. is now the epicenter of the monkeypox outbreak with the highest case count in the world.
And the most patients in the country are right here in California and New York. Meantime, LA County health officials are working hard to distribute all of their monkeypox vaccines by the end of the week. In fact, several people waited hours at a pop-up clinic to get the shot. And KCAL9's Kandiss Crone is live in Encino now with that story. Kandiss?
Well, Pat, some people spent their entire afternoon in line just to get that shot, waiting at the pop-up vaccine clinic here in Encino. Well, one man I spoke with said that his health and peace of mind were definitely worth the long wait.
I've been waiting for 4 hours. 4 hours. No, 5 hours.
Simon Miller was one of dozens of people who lined up early and waited for hours to get the monkeypox vaccine at this pop-up clinic in Encino. It's one of 4 sites the county health department set up as part of an all-out push to get some 4,000 shots into arms by Sunday. Several people who did not want to go on camera said while the wait was tough, nothing would deter them from getting vaccinated.
In order to process people, it has to be done by an actual nurse, and there are only 4 nurses here. So that's the problem. I think what they could do to make it quicker is to give each nurse an assistant.
The CDC says there are now more than 4,600 confirmed cases in the U.S. Here in LA County, there are 279 cases, all reported by men, and the number continues to climb. The Health and Human Services Secretary announced Thursday the department will distribute 786,000 new doses of the vaccine, with priority going to areas with the greatest number of people at risk.
Bottom line is we need to stay ahead of this and be able to end this outbreak.
County officials say those eligible to get the monkeypox vaccine include people who had contact with someone who contracted the virus. Also, LGBTQ men who were diagnosed with STDs in the last year, are on HIV PrEP, or those with multiple partners. Monkeypox spreads by skin-to-skin contact, and although it's primarily impacted men who have sex with other men, anyone can contract the virus.
It can disfigure your skin, it leaves scars, it'll knock you off. You'll be on your back for 2 weeks.
Now, I reached out to the health department regarding those long wait times, but have not yet heard back. The pop-up vaccine clinic at the Balboa Sports Complex runs again tomorrow from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. We're live in Encino. Kandiss Crone, KCAL9 News. Pat and Juan, back to you.
All right. Thank you, Kandiss.